Hi guys! Welcome to my class. Please subscribe so that you will be kept notified on the next math lesson. Then like and share so that you can also help other students. Our topic for today is to estimate products. You are going to learn it here the easy way. We are going to learn how to estimate products by using rounding and compatible numbers. Let us work on this example so that you will be guided. If dates preserves are sold 12 dirhams per package, the store owner have 58 packages in all. About how much money can the owner have if he sold all the packages? We are going to multiply 12 by 58. So let us round one factor. Either we'll work on 12 by 60 or 10 by 58. Let us start 58 by 12. Rounding off 12 into 10, we're going to multiply 58 times 10. 0 times 8 is 0 and 0 times 5 is 0. Moving on the tens place, 1 times 8 is 8 and 1 times 5 is 5. Accordingly, 58 times 10 is 580. Therefore, the store owner will have about 580 dirhams. Suppose we are going to round off the two given numbers. 58 will be round off to 60 and 12 will be round off to 10. Therefore, we are going to multiply 60 by 10. I want you to take note that if we have two zeros on the multiplicand and multiplier, just put down the two zeros on the answer. Working on 1 times 6, it will give us 6. Accordingly, the owner will have about 600 dirhams. I want you guys to remember that to estimate is to find the value that is close enough to the right answer. Let us work on this example so that you can understand it well. Estimate by rounding both the factors. 38 times 11. 38 will be round off to 40. 11 will be round off to 10. You have now 40 times 10. You have two zeros on the multiplicand and multiplier. Straight off, you can put down the two zeros on the answer. Working on 1 times 4, it will give us 4. Subsequently, 38 times 11 will give us about 400. Let us work on another example so that you can hit it off. Estimate by rounding. 168 times 5. 168 can be rounded off to 170. Let us retain the multiplier as 5. We're just going to round off one factor. Working on 5 times 0 will give us 0. 5 times 7 will give us 35. Therefore, we're going to put down the 5 and carry on the 3 on the hundreds place. Working on 5 times 1 will give us 5, plus 3 will give us 8. Consequently, 168 times 5 is about 850. Let us work on another example so that you can fully understand the lesson. Estimate by using compatible numbers. 157 times 8. Let us round off 157 into 155 and 8 into 10. Therefore, we're going to work on 155 times 10. Do you remember the multiplication pattern? If our multiplier is 10, we're just going to add 1 0 on the multiplicand. Therefore, 155 times 10 will give us 1,550. It is very easy, right? Let us work on another example so that you can completely understand the lesson. Estimate by using compatible numbers. 21 times 71. 21 will be round off to 20 and 71 will be round off to 70. Therefore, we're going to multiply 20 by 70. We have two zeros on the multiplier and multiplicand, therefore we're going to put down the two zeros on the answer. Working on 7 times 2 will give us 14. Therefore, 21 times 71 is about 1,400. Let us work on another example so that everything will be fine. Estimate by using compatible numbers. 550 times 31. 550 will be rounded off to 600 and 31 will be rounded off to 30. Therefore, we're going to work on 600 times 30. We have 3 zeros on the multiplicand and multiplier. Therefore, we're going to move down the 3 zeros to the answer. Working on 3 times 6 will give us 18. Accordingly, 550 times 31 is around 18,000. In rounding the numbers to the nearest 10, 100, 1,000 or 10,000 to make them compatible numbers, we can make estimating the answer and computing problems easier. To wrap it up, I want you to remember that to estimate is to find a value that is close enough to the right answer. You can round one factor or two factors at the same time so that you can find the answer easier. In working on compatible numbers, rounding the numbers to the nearest 10, 100, 1,000 or 10,000 will make them compatible numbers. Then, you can make the estimating the answer and computing problems easier also. You know guys, I will never stop reminding you what Sheikh Zayed wrote for us. Education is like a lantern which lights your way in a dark alley. We need to give importance to our education so that we're not going to be blindfolded in the future. In case you have confusion on some part of the lesson, I want you to go back. Revise it again, watch it carefully, slowly, and I know you can get it. I want you to score high in math, then be wise and healthy, okay? Till next math lesson. Bye-bye!